Hello, I'm your driving instructor. Today we're going to focus on roundabouts, an essential but often tricky part of driving. Even experienced drivers can make mistakes here, and that's why it's crucial to know the rules. This task may seem simple, but many drivers still get it wrong. Let's see if you can answer correctly. The task, a roundabout collision. Two cars are moving around a roundabout, a red Mercedes in the right lane and a blue BMW in the left lane. Suddenly, a collision happens. Who made the wrong maneuver? Here are your options: the red Mercedes, the blue BMW. Both drivers, pause the video, take a moment to think about it, and choose your answer. Let's break it down after you've made your choice. Analyzing the situation. The red car is in the right lane. It wants to continue around the roundabout. However, the right lane is usually for those intending to exit. According to the rules, the red car should have been in the left lane to keep driving around the roundabout. Staying in the right lane was a mistake. The blue car is in the left lane, and its intention is to exit the roundabout. However, it starts changing lanes. The proper maneuver for the blue car would have been to stay in the left lane and exit smoothly. There's no need to switch lanes while exiting a roundabout, and doing so can cause confusion or accidents. What went wrong? The red Mercedes should have already been in the left lane if it wanted to continue driving around the roundabout. Instead, it stayed in the right lane, which is generally for exits. The blue BMW made a similar mistake by changing lanes to exit when it should have stayed in the left lane. Conclusion: both drivers made mistakes. After analyzing both maneuvers, it's clear that both drivers made mistakes. The red Mercedes should have been in the left lane, and the blue BMW should have stayed in the left lane to exit safely. So the correct answer is option 3. Both drivers made the wrong maneuver. Final thoughts. This task shows how easy it is to make mistakes at roundabouts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced driver, staying alert and following the rules is key to avoiding accidents. If you answered correctly, well done. If not, don't worry. Learning from mistakes is how we improve. Remember, driving is about being safe, respecting other road users, and following the rules. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe for more tips to drive safely and avoid common mistakes. Stay safe and take care.